Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Another video of Tech with Scott. And today, let's do a brief discussion video on the Pioneer TV. I wanted to talk about this TV because my last video on this blew up, has over 6,500 views already, and you guys roasted me in the comments section because I had no idea what Pioneer was. But apparently, it's made the parent company. It's owned by TCL, which I was not aware of, and you guys educated me in the comments section, so really, really appreciate that. And I just found it interesting. This whole TV, this is why I wanted to make another video on it. It just interested me so much because it's only available on Best Buy's website. It's not even available on Amazon, which is kind of interesting, even though they sell TCL TVs on Amazon, but they don't sell this Pioneer TV, this Xumo TV. Apparently, this was super popular in the early 2000s and even the 1900s. So yeah, this TV intrigued me, and I wanted to talk about it again. And I also wanted to discuss something else. If I switch over to screen record, it's still on sale, by the way. So if you guys are interested, you can still go pick it up on at Best Buy. In all models, I'm pretty sure it's on sale, roughly $100 off most of their models, which is kind of cool. The bigger you go, the more money off you can get. But the thing that I really liked about this TV, just last time I looked at it, was not only the price, but it's just the fact that how many features it actually comes with it. And the UI actually looks super clean. I think I mentioned in the last video, has that sort of pixel-esque software going on here. There was a picture here, which I don't know why it's not showing up. It's kind of weird. I think it was only on the smaller model. But it has Dolby Vision, and as you can see here, it's Dolby Vision. I can't speak. And Dolby Audio, which is great, since a lot of streaming platforms now, upload content with that sort of standard now, which is great. Even the remote, I was looking at this remote, it's this looks like a really, really good remote. In terms of the simplicity of it, you have the quick access to Prime Video, Netflix. We have the full number pad going on, volume up, down, a microphone as well, and a dedicated inputs button, a back button. I don't know what these two buttons are. Whole D-pad here, options buttons, settings, mute, power. I'm just thoroughly impressed. And for you guys out there who are probably asking why I got the LG TV instead of let me just bring it back to my face. Why I got the LG UQ75. You're probably wondering why I went out and bought that. I wanted to get this TV that you guys recommended. By all means, I wanted to. The problem was just the feet length. It was too big for my bureau over there. I just physically wouldn't fit. It would fall off essentially. Now you're probably saying, oh, why don't you just buy a different stand? I don't want to go through the hassle of buying an additional stand and having to install it. That's not me. I just wanted something I could take out of the box and set up really quick. And the LG got great reviews as well. And it was around the same price anyways. So yeah. And if we go over to YouTube here, let me show you. If I search this TV, Pioneer 4K TV, Tech Steve, great channel. Shout out Tech Steve. He uploaded a video on this 2 years ago. But ever since then, nothing has come out. I think he made one more video on it here. But it's just insane that, no one is really making content about this TV. If you scroll down, there's just, nothing. We do have an unboxing.
You can get online Xumo TV account, create.
Yeah, that didn't really show much. It's just, yeah, so it's just strange to me. Maybe this TV is just overshadowed by a lot of the other TVs on the market. I think that's a fair hypothesis. But Pioneer definitely needs more love, ladies and gentlemen. And if we look back at the specs sheet, let me look at show full specs. Obviously it's 4K. I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory. Has HDR10, has that Dolby Vision. It's an LED. It's direct lit, not edge lit. So you get some better uniformity lighting from direct lit. Xumo TV, which is the OS, Comes with all the apps. Like most smart TVs come with all the apps. I don't know why they still have to advertise it. 3 HDMIs as opposed to 2. My LG only has 2 HDMI inputs. So if you have a lot of, cable boxes or Xboxes or consoles or whatever, you have enough HDMIs. No voice assistant built in. That surprises me. It says that considering it has a microphone on the remote, or microphone button on the remote. 2023, so it came out this year, and this is the reason why I didn't get it. My bureau is 34 inches exactly in width, and this was close to 36 inches with the stand, and it's not adjustable, so it literally would not fit where I want to place the TV, which is it does have voice control. I don't know why they say that. So I literally could not fit it on my bureau, but it got 4.3 stars. Granted, it's only 100 reviews, so that's not the biggest sample size ever. So take this average with a grain of salt. But it seems a lot of people said it has great picture quality, great brightness. Maybe just the sound quality is what kind of brings it down a little bit. And that can always be fixed, guys. Like if you want a TV with good sound, you can buy a really, really cheap soundbar, sub $100, and get phenomenal audio. So sound can always be improved with some external device or something. But yeah, people really say great color, great resolution. I'm just curious what this Tech Steve video
Hey
was.
everyone, Tech Steve here. It's a guessing game at this point. When you look at the design, both TVs look very similar, except for the Pioneer has a little bit thicker bezel around it. And
I just want to confirm that this model number is the same. 40. Let's have a model number on it. It does. Okay. PN 43751. He's talking about 43951. So that he's not. So the 751 probably means it's like an updated model. So he's not even talking about the latest TV. So I think we can rule out that 751 4395122U. I'm also pretty dumb because this video came out 2 years ago and this is a 2023 model, so obviously it's going to be new. Anyway, so yeah, there's just no content on this TV. It's really weird because you can find videos on TVs, basically any model TV. If it's a 4K TV, especially since it's the latest model in 2023, it's basically over now. I'm really, really surprised that there's not a lot of love to this TV. Although this guy just uploaded this video literally 21 hours ago.
How do you want to connect /activate? For my Xumo TV account online to add people who enjoy watching, you can go ahead and you can hook that up now or do it later.
This is so interesting.
It also has AirPlay on here as well,
so interesting. Let me bring. So I don't know what the purpose of this video, guys, was. It was basically just like an open forum discussion sort of thing with you guys because I want to get a conversation going in the comments section down below, asking you guys what do you think about this company in 2023? The fact that they're still selling TVs to this day, they're still owned by TCL. There's rumors out there, someone left a comment about this, that they're going to sort of split TCL and Pioneer, so they're no longer going to be owned by TCL, so they can go, I don't know, advertise more or something like that, or start really promoting their TVs. Anyway, I thought this was super interesting, a fact that we have a TV manufacturing company that was super popular back then, not as popular today, kind of got pushed out of the market and overshadowed by TCL, and honestly, incredible prices, to be honest. So yeah, let's start a conversation in the comment section down below. I'll put a link down to this TV. It's still on sale, similar to my last video. If you guys want to go pick it up, I wish I could. It just doesn't fit in my apartment, sadly, and I don't really need additional 4K TVs. I have 2 at the moment. I have my TCL 5 Series QLED and then my LG UQ75 for my bedroom, 43-inch, and then 55-inch for the TCL. So yeah, let me know what you think about this TV in the comment section down below. If you were to ask me what I think about it, obviously I haven't reviewed it, so it's take my opinion with a grain of salt. But in today's age, if you can get a 4K TV with HDR under $200, I mean, to me, that's a win, unless it has some massive defect, but those reviews are not saying it has any major defects. It's probably just sound quality is a little bit subpar. I don't think you can really go wrong. I mean, I have no reason to not say to go out and buy this. So if you guys want to go pick it up, by all means do so. But I'm gonna stick with my. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you liked listening to hear me rant about this stuff, let me know. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video from Tech with Scott. Most likely going to be a review on my TCL 5 Series QLED TV, 55-inch. So stay tuned for that. Share this video if you liked it. We're what are we at? 1160 right now, 1,160 subscribers or something like that. Merry Christmas, by the way. Christmas holidays coming up. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Bye, everyone. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.